I found this insane 9-cylinder engine model online, but I didn't just print it, I made it run. Here's how I motorized this 3D printed radial engine. I wanted something mechanical for my desk, not just a static model, something alive, something that actually moves. That's when I found this 9-cylinder radial engine model. The design was beautiful, packed with mechanical detail. You can download it, the link is in the description. But I didn't want to just assemble it. I wanted to motorize it. The original model was designed to be turned by hand, so if I wanted continuous motion, I had to modify it. And that's where things got interesting. All the parts printed beautifully. There are a lot of them, but everything fit perfectly. Honestly, assembling a model like this is incredibly satisfying. But adding the motor, that was the real challenge. First problem, connecting the motor to the armature. The shaft didn't match, so I took measurements and designed a custom adapter. Printed it, tested it, perfect fit. Next problem, the motor itself. When I powered it on, the motor wanted to spin freely instead of driving the engine, so it needed to be fixed in place. I could have redesigned the whole base, but I went with a simpler solution. I designed a custom bracket that secures the motor directly to the model. Printed it, installed it, worked like a charm. For power, I used a low-speed DC motor, a lithium battery holder, and a simple toggle switch. I wired up a clean, minimal circuit, so everything could stay compact and hidden. Flip the switch, and it comes to life. Now, instead of just turning it by hand, I can let it run continuously on my desk. And honestly, the result feels like a miniature mechanical masterpiece. The original model is brilliantly designed, but motorizing it took it to another level. If you'd like to see the full detailed assembly process, I'll be posting the complete build on my channel. I love finding unique mechanical models and pushing them a bit further, and this one is definitely one of my favorites.